All right, Mom, we're rolling.
Okay. Hi, Barbie. I wanted to show you my new chifferobe that Ken got me. It's beautiful. It has 24 hangers, beautiful hinges. It was made in 1963. It has 4 drawers, and the top drawer locks. Wow, Barbie, that's amazing. How does it lock? Well, it has a secret hidden place right over here behind the hangers, and you pull the little key out, and my friend Mary's going to show you how to do it in a minute. We do have one little problem though. The sachet is a little loose and probably needs to be re-glued. But other than that, it's very clean, and everything works wonderfully. Let me show you how the drawers work. Oops. Oops. Some of the drawers have a little bit of a melt spot on them, I'm guessing from the factory. But it doesn't hinder the use at all. We've cleaned them. They're very nice. Great for any serious Barbie collector. Okay, show me how the secret drawer lock works, Barbie. Okay, hold on just a minute. I'm going to get my friend Mary to help me. Okay, you're going to pull out the racks that have the hangers on it on the left side. And there's a little key. It looks kind of like a golf club. It's very short. And you just pull that out. And then you can see that the drawer unlocks. Now this drawer does have some of the melt marks. We've cleaned them up as best we can. And then when you get ready to lock it, you just put your key back in there and push it all the way in. And then push it down where that little groove is. And see, you can see that it's not opening any longer. And then I put this back in, and no one will ever even know it's there. It's really nice so Barbie can keep her purses and valuables in that little thing. Alright, let me shut this door. As you can see, the hinge is in very good shape. It closes straight, and it still has the official Barbie or Midge queen size chifferobe label, and also the Susie Goose Toys That Mold Character imprint. Let me turn it around. Here's the back. All the feet are perfect. So there's no other problems other than that one little thing I showed you with this sachet. Still have everything else in perfect condition. Okay. Well, thanks, Barbie, for showing me your new chifferobe. That was mighty sweet of Ken to buy this for you. Thanks for looking. Happy shopping.